Ronnie with Texas Master Plumber here. Today I got a phone call from a customer. Said their garbage disposal was not working, leaking, needs to be replaced. So I wanted to go over a couple of different options. This is my opinion on garbage disposals. Personally, I don't believe any residential garbage disposal you should have anything or have a need for anything larger than a half horsepower. They make them in third horsepowers, half horsepower, 3/4. You can even get them up to 1 horsepower. But really, what are you putting down your kitchen sink that you're going to need a full horsepower to grind up and push down the drain? You really shouldn't be putting a whole lot of that stuff down the drain. Most of your food particles from your plates and dishes that you're cleaning should go in the trash. Otherwise, it's going to create buildup and you're going to end up with stoppages. Your garbage disposal should be more for the leftover particles that you're rinsing off the plate after you scoop the stuff into the trash. Of course, you're going to rinse your plate off, and then the dirty stuff that's going to come off the plates when you put them in the dishwasher, which should be even less. Because the dishwasher drain hose is normally connected to the garbage disposal if you have a garbage disposal under your sink. So, your larger garbage disposals, your 3/4 and your 1 horsepower garbage disposal is maybe your 1 horsepower might chew up some chicken bones, but that's not recommended that you put anything like that down your sink. So really, what are you in need of that large of a garbage disposal for? There's not. A 1/3 or 1/2 horsepower garbage disposal should be sufficient for a residential application. They're less expensive. The horsepower from the garbage disposal should be strong enough to grind up anything that you're putting down the sink and make it small enough to where it'll go down the drain line with a sufficient amount of water. So don't let somebody sell you some 3/4, 1 horsepower garbage disposal. They're not Tim the Toolman Taylor or who's the other one? Bob Vila. Yeah, there's no need for any of that large horsepower stuff. Just get something that's gonna help keep your kitchen sink from stopping up. All right, it's less expensive. You can have them put a 1/3 or horsepower garbage disposal in. Shouldn't take any of them 30 to 45 minutes to put in, and I wouldn't think that it would take any more than $300 to $400 depending on the contractor, the plumber. So if you have any questions, give me a holler. I'll be happy to help you out and talk with you on the phone about it. 832-736-9561. You can catch me on the website at www.texasmasterplumber.com. Thanks.